Bro, wallahi, sometimes our people treat a Taweez like it's a VIP cord. One guy came to me and said, look, my Taweez is waterproof, fireproof, and jinn proof. I told him, bro, is it also Wi-Fi proof? Can I use it as a password to log in? But let's get serious. This is just not a joke. The issue of ta'weez, amulets, lockets, is it halal, haram, or even shirk? Today we are going to open this topic fully. You will get the scholar's view, Tariq Masood Sahab explanation, and also my honest advice. And trust me, this is one video you don't want to miss. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to AR Fiqh, where we explain your most trending questions about Islam with clarity and authentic references. Today's topic is something almost every household in our society knows: Taweez. Some wear it, some reject it, and some are confused. So let's break this down step by step. Taweez is basically an amulet, usually a folded paper, sometimes leather wrapped, sometimes shiny metal lockets, and that people wear around their neck, arm, or keep in their house. Inside it may be Qur'anic verses, du'as, or sometimes just numbers and shapes or symbols. No one understands that. Now, people wear ta'weez because they believe it protects from evil eye, sickness, jinn, black magic, or brings success. It's like a spiritual insurance policy. The question is, does Islam allow this or not? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, faced magic, evil eye, sickness, everything, but he never ever tied papers on his body. Instead, he taught us Ruqyah, reciting of Qur'an. For example, Surah Fatiha, Shifa for illness, and Ayatul Kursi, protection from shaitan, and Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Nas, protection from evil eye and magic. Hadith in Tirmidhi tells us that the Prophet used to blow over himself and over Hassan and Hussein with these du'as. That's the original pure Sunnah way. So if you ask, did the Prophet wear ta'weez? The answer is clear: no. He relied on Quran by reciting, not by hanging papers. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Some scholars, especially in the Hanafi madhab, said if the ta'weez has only Quranic or authentic du'as written in Arabic, and if the person firmly believes that cure comes only from Allah, not from the paper itself, then it may be just allowed. And there's a question: why did they allow this small chance? So Tariq Masood Sahab explained this very beautifully. He said, if we totally ban ta'weez, many people who don't have knowledge will run to magicians and shirk-based amulets. So to save them from that bigger danger, scholars just allowed a little leeway with very strict conditions. So yes, Hanafi scholars gave this ruqsat a concession, but at the same time they warned that don't believe the paper has any independent power, or else it becomes directly shirk. Now let's talk reality. Why do many scholars today discourage Taweez completely? Because of these problems. Number one, unknown content. Most people don't even know what's inside the Taweez. Quran, symbols, maybe even shirk writings. If you don't know, it's dangerous. And the second thing is disrespect to Quran. Quranic verses are sacred, but when you hang them around your neck, you go to the washroom and you sweat, you throw them somewhere, that's completely disrespect. And the third thing is wrong belief. Slowly people start thinking that the paper itself has power. Like, my Taweez saved me. That's pure shirk, bro. Only Allah saves. And the most important thing that I like is business of Taweez. Let's be honest. Many so-called peers make it a money business. People pay thousands for Taweez as if they are buying miracles and jewelry. So you see why many modern scholars say, forget Taweez, just stick to Sunnah and Ruqyah. Now, let me give you my personal advice. Wallahi, I don't like Taweez. Yeah, I don't like Taweez at all, even if it contains Quranic verses. Why? Because I find it very disrespectful. Why would you reduce the book of Allah to a folded paper tied to your neck? Allah gave you tongue, right? You can recite, right? The Prophet showed us how to read and blow over ourselves. So why copy-paste Quran onto a paper and wear it like a jewelry? That's not what Quran was revealed for. Yes, some scholars allowed it as an emergency concession, but in my view, it's better to leave it completely. It's not Sunnah, it's not the Prophet's way, and it can easily lead to disrespect and shirk. So my advice, throw away all of the ta'weez you're having in your house. Instead, open Quran, recite Fatiha, recite Ayatul Kursi, recite Falaq and Nas. That is real shield. That is your strongest protection. So, final verdict. Wearing ta'weez with Quranic verses, some scholars allowed with strict conditions, but the Prophet never wore one. And the safest path is to avoid it completely. Remember the hadith, whoever wears an amulet may not Allah complete his wish. This shows how serious it can be. So don't risk your iman for a folded paper. Trust Allah, recite His words, and follow the Sunnah. This is the real ruling. And if you agree with me, then what should you do? Share this video with your family and friends, because a lot of people are trapped in this ta'weez business. Spread the knowledge. Jazakallahu khair for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our fiqh for more authentic rulings.